shooting a ghost prank on the res, you know. What's up YouTube? It's me again, Mr. Cozy Intelligence, but you can call me MDANGE, you know the vibe. Today guys, I'm shooting a ghost prank on the res, you know. So guys, it's been a long time doing a drop, so now I think I'm cook because guys. So enjoy the video with me. Transition. This is the output guys. I tried at least, so this is the output guys.
Water! Yo, I think there's a ghost outside. I saw it on the window. Come, let's go to the
No ghost.
I saw a ghost in the window or something.
There's nothing there.
Bro, I was so scared, dog.
Stop smoking with the smoking, man. God. I don't know where you saw the ghost, eh?
Heyo guys, heyo.
Oh my God.
This is the end of the video. Please guys, please subscribe. There's a lot for me. I'm doing this for you guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy the video.
Yeah, it's my first time with somebody.